Okay, welcome back to class. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from anywhere you might be joining us from. Welcome to day 18 of our Microsoft's ExcelWork Hour, where we decide to go on what on a 50 days challenge. Now, without wasting much of our time, in case you are just joining us, my name is Kowi SAG. I'm a data analyst. I'm also a data analyst instructor. Now, without wasting much of our time, what are we discussing today? Today, we are going to be learning about how to remove duplicates. Yes, how to remove duplicates. Now, in this aspect of removing duplicates, there are some things we need to know first. Is that we need to be very, very careful when trying to remove duplicates. Why did I say this? There are some things that might look similar, but they're actually not what duplicates. Now, I'm going to be teaching us two things today. First thing is how to spot duplicates in our data. Then the second thing is how to remove the duplicates. Let me come again. The first thing is how to spot duplicates. Then the second thing is how to remove those duplicates. Is that clear? So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Now, if we want to spot duplicates in our data, it just depends on what the column you want to use. So once you know the column you want to use, what you're expected to do is just highlight like this. So I want to use my name. I want to spot the duplicacy in my name. So I'll just highlight my name like this. Now come to my conditional formatting, then come to highlight cell use. Let me come again. Select my data, come to conditional formatting like this. Then I will come to highlight cell use. For my highlight cell use, I will just come to duplicate values. Now what can you see? So I can just select any color I want. I can say I want green field. Yes, let me use this green field. So like this, you can see it now. So my Excel has spotted some duplicacy for me. Exactly. So what am I going to do? Now let us confirm if they actually duplicate or not. Exactly. Now, as our Isaiah has told us, Shola, let me zoom in a bit. Our Isaiah said, Shola, this name Shola, they are what? Duplicates. Are they really duplicates? Let us confirm. Now, we have name, department, level, and age. Now, let us check this Shola. This Shola is what? Chemistry 400 level, and the age is 20 years. Now, I'm having another Shola here, which is in mathematics 100 level and 16 years. So, definitely this Shola is different from this Shola, right? Let me say this was Shola 1, and this one is another Shola, which was Shola 2. Is that clear? Now, I'm having what another Shola, which was chemistry. No, let me come back. I'm having another Shola, which was chemistry 400 level 20 years. That means this particular Shola tallies with this particular Shola. That means this is what is actually a duplicate. Now we are coming. Now, out of this one, we have another Shola chemistry 400 level 24 years. That means this particular Shola, although they are in the same department, they bear the same name, the same level, but the fact that their age is different is telling us that okay, it is this particular Shola is not this particular Shola. But it's actually very much possible for us to have what someone in the same department, the same level, the same name, but though they are going to have just one thing that is going to be different. Exactly. Myself, I'm a student at the University of London. So when I was in my 100 level days, I had someone that was in 400 level. He bears the same name and surname with me. My name is Kowi. My name is Kowi Oyesiji. He also bears Kowi Oyesiji. And we are not for the same family. In fact, we've never seen each other before. We just met from online and exactly. So it happens. We can even have name and surname together. Exactly. So that means this Shola will be what? Shola 3. But this particular Shola will be Shola 1 because that means they've made a mistake by inserting this particular Shola and repeating it again. Exactly. So how am I going to move what? How am I going to move this one? Am I going to clean it myself? I don't need to stress myself. Now the first thing, let us remove this highlighting of cells exactly. Now I will go back to my conditional formatting. Now come to clear rows like this. Clear row format from selected cells. You can see it. It has moved. Let me come back again. I will highlight it again. Come to my conditional formatting back. Then clear rows. And clear rows from selected cells. You can see it. Now, how am I going to remove what? My duplicate. The way I'm going to remove it is very, very simple. So all I just need to do is just select it like this. Exactly. Then I go to my data tab. For my data tab, I will over down towards my data tools like this. You can just see it. The first thing is select everything. Then go to my data tab, over to my data tools, then locate my what? Remove duplicates. You can see it. I will just click on it like this. Bam. Yes, select. Now everything should be checked. The reason why I say everything should be checked so that it's going to check what if the information tallies for everything. So everything should be checked like this and say what okay. Now what do you notice? The second sheller that was in 200 level 400 level 820 has been removed. Exactly. So that's how to remove what duplicacy. Let me come back again, Control Z. Now highlight, come to your data tab, over to your data tools, then locate your remove duplicate like this, then you click on it, bam, everything should be checked, then okay. And now the duplicate has been removed. So that's how to remove duplicates. Now we've learned two things today: how to spot duplicates, then how to remove what duplicacy not in our data sets. So thanks for watching, and our assignments for today's class. So you are going to be provided a particular data set. Now what's your assignment? Your assignment is it. Turn the names on it, turn everything to capital letter, everything in under column to proper, yes, proper form. Then the next one should be what? Everything should be what? Small letters, right? So that's going to be assignment for today's class. So once you are done, just send it to me on my WhatsApp with the number that has been pinned on the comment section. Exactly. And send it to me for review. So thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. We meet in our class tomorrow where we are going to be learning another new things. Thanks for joining. Bye. Do have a nice day.